This is Coach Laudiaann, and I am here delivering strategies and tips on how to do stuff online. If you like my videos, go ahead and consider subscribing to my channel and hit that notification bell. Good morning today, everyone. How is everyone doing? I hope everybody is having a wonderful day. I'm actually excited today. I wanted to do a Facebook review on the new Facebook page. Let me know what you guys think about it. I'm so used to with the classic view, but the new one, I guess you've got to get adjusted to the new look of Facebook, right? Um, Facebook has come a long way. I love Facebook, uh, and I just enjoy um, going through, looking at all my family and friends, and especially my new um, friends that I network with. Guys, you guys are amazing. You post positive affirmations, and that's what I like to see. Successful things happening, right? Let's go. Like Wesley says in his courses, let's go. And he also talks about stand up tall, stick up, stick your tummy in, and have a big smile. And uh, it actually works, guys. If you just uh, your body movement, just sitting up and smiling and showing everybody your authentic self. Wow, guys. It's amazing how you can actually change your emotions just like that, right? And you can. Uh, anyway, I really like the new Facebook page. I'm trying to get used to using it. But I guess everything is on the left side of the column here. I'm gonna move my little screen here. Okay, so I have my pages here. I actually have several pages, guys. So um, I'm clicking into it because I want to show you guys. I know I made a YouTube channel video on 3 YouTube channels that I am actually been using a lot. My main channel is Laudiaann Sylvest. The second channel is Laudiaann Music, and my business channel is online Laudiaann, online coach Laudiaann, excuse me. But those are the 3 channels: online coach Laudiaann, Laudiaann Music, and Laudiaann Sylvest. So you can look me up. If you like my videos, you like that channel, subscribe. Please subscribe and click on that notification bell, or you can just like and comment, and I would really appreciate that, right? Yes, I would. Uh, Guys, I wanted to show you 3 of the Facebook fan pages that I use for promoting my mindset programs. Okay. Uh, my mentor is Wesley Virgin, and I wanted to just make this video and show you where I actually um, put motivational videos. I promote meditations. I actually will sometimes promote a YouTube channel that will for someone to that needs motivation. Anybody that needs motivation, everybody does, especially successful people. You got to act like a successful, motivated person, right? Let's go. This morning I just woke up with joy. I just woke up being grateful for life and being grateful to God. Okay, here I'm going to go into successful entrepreneurs. That is one of my, uh, let's see, I'm logging in right now and I don't see it. Where did you go? Oh, there it is. Okay, this is Successful Entrepreneur, and I do post a lot of Wesley's um, Virgin's courses here. If you're new and you want to learn more about his courses, guys, this course is going to transform your life. I mean it. It's going to transform you. And his business partner, Ariella, is going to actually help you become successful. And she helps Wesley a lot with all of his courses, and she's in charge with the Done For You services. Let's go! Yes, she is in charge with this program. If you want to come over to my fan page, Successful Entrepreneurs, you can find me on Facebook. Let me just lift up my screen here so you can see. Here it is. Facebook Leaders Moving Up. Okay. Write that down. I want you to write that down. Okay, so you can always come back to this fan page. All right. Get excited, guys, because I'm showing you how to do things online successfully. Oops, let me get rid of this ebook here. I don't know what happened. Let's go back to Facebook. Okay. All right. Right. That is one of my channels that I promote. Let me show you another one. I have Beyond My Manifestation. So we're going to click on that one. Here you go. This is my other Facebook fan page. Okay, I post a lot. See, this is how I do my advertising. I believe in video advertising, guys. I never quit doing this. Okay, I have engaged people. I've reached 5 people have watched this video. You scroll down. I do. This is how I promote Wesley Virgin's products. Okay, this is Ariella. Oh my God, she has given me sales, guys. This program has given me lots of sales. You can make money with them. They help you set up your Facebook ads. They help you set up your Google ads with YouTube. They actually have a team behind them on the Facebook group. When you join, Done For You services, there is a Facebook group that you join. If you have any questions, any problems starting your business, you just leave a comment and a tech will get back with you. Make sure you keep in contact with them. Sometimes they contact you and maybe you have missed them, but you have to take that step. You have to get up and let's do it. Go and do it. Take action. They're not going to come to you guys. You have to go to them to get help. Just to let you know, guys, you want to become successful, you got to change your whole outlook of who you are going to become, right? Sometimes I like to list motivational videos on here so it will inspire you. I try to make my fan page really, really attractive. So I promote a lot of Wesley courses because I believe in them, and they make millionaires, and I am a millionaire in their eyes. Okay. And millionaires always work hard. They always strive. They always become successful. They always go up and up. They do the beyond. Okay. And meditation is the key, guys. Last night, I got off from work. I put on my earphones on, and believe it or not, I put meditation. I was meditating. I saw these interesting visions, and then all of a sudden, I guess I just fell asleep through the whole 5 hours or 4 hours. But I feel really renewed because I did spend time meditating, and I'm soon going to be chanting Jureen Brazil. I believe in that. I believe everything that God has for you. You guys, you gotta reach out. You gotta tap into it. The things that are not seen things that you need to visualize in yourself. Okay. You gotta believe in yourself, right? Okay, so this is Beyond My Manifestation, and you will find me here at Facebook Mentality Now. This is where this Facebook excuse me, fan page is located. Okay, now let's see, let me go back. I'm going to show you guys another. There is another one that Facebook fan page that I use is Mindset on the Road to Success. Now these guys, I just started these Facebook fan page, and look, I've already got a lot of likes, I've already got a lot of followers, and I think both of them are just a week old. So I put a lot of effort into these. I try creative ideas how to get off the likes and people to follow me, but actually they follow you by what you post, and just connect it to your YouTube channel. People can find you everywhere. Just advertise yourself everywhere, and don't be afraid. Okay. All right. This is my favorite one. It's Mindset on the Road to Success. You actually, in your Facebook cover, you can actually upload a video. This is our mentor, Wesley Virgin. I love you, my guy. I love you very much. You have changed my world, guys. I love to meditate. I just uploaded this one. It's Meditation Connect, and it is awesome, guys. This is an awesome one. I posted on the Facebook group that with the Done For You services, and I know it's going to reach more people because it's awesome. It's got beats with this mantra. I love it. I really love it. This is our favorite lady, Ariella, and she's going to talk to you about Done For You services and how you can get involved in it, guys. You need to get involved if you want to change your circumstances. If you want not to work a 9-to-5 job, 9-to-5 job or a 12-hour shift, which I'm actually doing right now because I have to work my way and I'm working on my retirement right now. So I'm building a foundation. I see my vision. I'm already, it's happening. It's changing, and my world is changing shifts, right? I'm so grateful, guys. I'm so grateful for life. I'm so grateful for the people involved in my life and that are helping me become successful, right? And then I want to share you guys with one more Facebook fan page that I am involved in. Starting out, I try to make my Facebook attractive. Right? I've already reached 162 people because I posted a few things, so not that very much. One person, see how I just add, and I haven't really quite shared this fan page, but I'm going to invite all my friends, all my family, to like it, to share it, and there's no page likes yet. I just created it, but this is the start, guys. You can make many fan pages, whatever you can. Guys, you gotta be creative, and this is actually what I'm promoting. It's like free traffic. So I actually do this free traffic. I really don't have my Facebook ads set up to one of my fan pages that with Done For You services, but because of the cost of, you either got to choose one, Google Ad, YouTube, or Facebook. And to start off with the program, they recommend you just do one. Okay, eventually when you start generating more sales, then you can do two because you'll be able to afford it. All right, guys, but for now, stick with one, learn one, and master one. So that's what I'm doing. But this is how I do my advertising. You guys, I thank you for watching my video. I thank you for enjoying my video. And let's go! Okay, take care, guys. Bye.